Whole body vibration, Wikipedia audio. Whole body vibration is a generic term used where any vibration of any frequency is transferred to the human body. It is a potential form of occupational hazard, particularly in the presence of continuous exposure to vibration from machines, such as truck driving or hand tool operation. Farmers with long-term exposure to whole-body vibration have a higher prevalence of back pain. Whole-body vibration training as a form of physical exercise can offer some fitness and health benefits, but it is not clear if it is as beneficial as regular physical exercise. A review in 2014 came to the conclusion that there is little and inconsistent evidence that acute and/or chronic whole-body vibration could improve the performance of competitive and/or elite athletes. Farmers with long-term exposure to whole-body vibration have a higher prevalence of back pain, and the prevalence increases with vibration dose. Long-term exposure affecting the whole body leads to spinal degeneration. Vibration training is the deliberate exposure to the body of varying frequencies/amplitudes/forces using certain joint angles for any limited time. It is also known as vibration therapy, biomechanical stimulation, mechanostimulation and biomechanical oscillation. It employs low-amplitude, low-frequency mechanical stimulation. It can be pivotal or lineal. Occupational exposure. According to Mayo Clinic, whole-body vibration can offer some fitness and health benefits, but it is not clear if it is as beneficial as regular physical exercise. A review in 2014 came to the conclusion that there is little and inconsistent evidence that acute and/or chronic whole-body vibration could improve the performance of competitive and/or elite athletes. Cochrane reviews have concluded that there is insufficient evidence of effect of whole-body vibration training on functional performance of people with neurodegenerative disease, or in disease-related problems in people with fibromyalgia. Side alternating systems, operating like a seesaw and hence mimicking the human gait where one foot is always moving upwards and the other one downwards, and linear systems where the whole platform is mainly doing the same motion, respectively, both feet are moved upwards or downwards at the same time. Vibrating platforms fall into different, distinct categories. The type of platform used is a moderator of the effect and result of the training or therapy performed. Main categories of machine types are: other machine types are low-energy/low amplitude lineal and low-energy/high amplitude lineal. Concerning the Z movements, two main types of system can be distinguished: Ritwiger 2010, Rock 2010. Systems with side alternation usually have a larger amplitude of oscillation and a frequency range of about 5 Hz to 40 Hz. Linear/upright systems have lower amplitudes but higher frequencies in the range of 20 Hz to 50 Hz. Despite the larger amplitudes of side alternating systems, the vibration transmitted to the head is significantly smaller than in non-side alternating systems, while at the same time muscle activation even at identical vibration parameters are increased in pivotal systems. Mechanical stimulation generates acceleration forces acting on the body. These forces cause the muscles to lengthen, and this signal is received by the muscle spindle, a small organ in the muscle. This spindle transmits the signal through the central nervous system to the muscles involved. Burkhardt 2006. Power plate is a brand of vibrating platform consisting of a vibrating base, which may vibrate up and down approximately 1 to 2 mm 25 to 50 times per second. The machine is large enough to accommodate a person in deep squat. Traditional exercises such as squats and push-ups can be done on the vibrating base. Galileo is a brand of vibration training platforms used as exercise equipment as well as for therapeutic use. It consists of a vibration platform which vibrates sinusoidal side alternating like a seesaw. Depending on the device size, it oscillates with an amplitude of up to 6 mm and a frequency of 5 Hz to 40 Hz. Galileo is manufactured in Germany by the German company Novotech Medical GmbH. Since 2004, Galileo is also available as a medical device. Vibration training. The base plate of Galileo vibration training devices is moving like a seesaw. This side alternating motion is supposed to mimic human gait in order to utilize nearly physiological motion patterns close to the side alternating human gait. The side alternation causes the hip to tilt, which requires the contralateral muscles of the back to be activated while one leg is lifted, the other drops. Compared to vertically vibrating devices, the side alternating motion results in very low acceleration, acting on the center of gravity of the upper body and the head. A vibrating belt machine is an exercise machine that uses a vibrating belt, to be used around the waist or buttocks. The immediate predecessor of modern vibration training is rhythmic neuromuscular stimulation. In former East Germany, Biermann was experimenting with the use of cyclic massage and its effects on trunk flexion back in the 60s. The technique has been tested on turkeys in the hope of finding a benefit that could be used for astronauts. For the used technology and engineering issues came into play when they tried to upgrade the machine to take the weight of a human being. Once the vibration intensity grew strong enough to lift over 40 kilograms, fractures appeared in the steel. Using a different mechanical stimulation approach, the first bedrest study using a vibration training device for humans was done by the European Space Agency in 2003 in Berlin. The same technology was then used in several parabolic flight campaigns of the DLR starting in 2006, where the feasibility of use of a lightweight vibration training device under microgravity conditions was demonstrated, and in 2009 and 2010 where basic research on influence of microgravity on vibration training effects was investigated. NASA, since 1961, has been doing tests at adding light vibrations to pre-existing exercise equipments and systems to minimize vibration transmission of existing exercise devices to the pace station, like the treadmill vibration isolation system and the cycle ergometer vibration isolation system. Any company referencing NASA directly in its marketing campaigns is highly misleading and has no relevance to the discipline of vibration training. The first Galileo machine patent was filed in 1996. In the same year, the first Galileo device was commercially available. In 1996, the first Galileo vibrating dumbbell patent was filed. Training effects. Vibrating platform types. Power plate. Galileo. Belts. History. Recommendations for reporting whole body vibration intervention studies. Literature.